Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to study some beautiful and useful and common idioms. Okay, so let's start the lesson. We have got the title in seven heaven. So we have a short conversation between two people. I have put the names here A and B, so you can change the names. A says, I'm in seventh heaven, and B says, I noticed your head was in the clouds. I think I made a hit with the boss. My idea knocked him dead. Now he knows I mean business. I have to hand it to you. You stacked your guns, and everything panned out. I'm glad I kept my fingers crossed. Okay, let's go to study the words and idioms, and again we'll read it to understand it better. Okay, first idiom, in seventh heaven. In seventh heaven means در اوج خوشحالی یا سرور بودن. The next one is have one's head in the clouds. یعنی در فکر بودن یا حواس پرت بودن. The next one is make a hit. Make a hit means موقعیت بزرگ به دست آوردن یا محبوب شدن. The third one is knock one head. knock one dead. تحت تاثیر قرار دادن یا شگفت زده کردن کسی. The next one is mean business. جدی بودن در مورد چیزی. hand it to someone. به کسی اعتبار دادن یا موقعیت او را تایید کردن. The next one is stick to one's guns. یعنی بر تصمیم یا باور خود پافشاری کردن. pan out means موفقیت آمیز بودن یا نتیجه خوبی دادن. And the last one is keep one's fingers crossed. Together, and we have the meaning and translation here. So, I'm in seventh heaven. یعنی من خیلی خوشحالم. I noticed your head was in the clouds. متوجه شدم که حواست پرت بود. I think I made a hit with the boss. فکر کنم رئیس رو تحت تاثیر قرار دادم. My idea knocked him dead. ایده‌ام حسابی توجهش رو جلب کرد. Now he knows I'm in business. حالا دیگه میدونه که جدیم. I have to hand it to you. باید بهت آفرین بگم. hand it to you. یعنی باید بهت آفرین بگم. You stacked your guns and everything pans out. پای حرفت ایستادی و همه چیز درست پیش رفت. And the last one, I'm glad I kept my fingers crossed. I kept my fingers crossed. یعنی خوشحالم که شانس آوردم. Okay, once again, let's read it. I'm in seventh heaven. I noticed your head wasn't in the cloud. I think I made a hit with the boss. My idea knocked him dead. Now he knows I mean business. I have to hand it to you. You stacked your guns and